Bite a phone case, chew on it, and swallow it? Do you love your gadget so much that you are ready to eat it? Nope. You've just got a new edible phone case. How? Watch it in our new video. Redhead is so absorbed in the game that she doesn't notice her friend. Fortnite Battle Royale building skills and destructible environments combined with intense PvP combat. A player can find unexplored places on the map in a new Battle Royale season, more flights, access to new skins, and a good possibility to get new treasures. Over 100 rewards! Dolly wants to join Fortnite Battle Royale as well. Find the link to the game in the video description. Fortnite Battle Royale is now free to play on PC, Mac, PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Switch, and mobile. The game is available in the App Store. Enjoy the most exciting game with altering maps locations, a ton of cosmetic content, and incredible sounds. Feel like a superhero. Complete different activities, find hidden objects on the map, and it will help you rank up your battle pass easier. Complete challenges and unlock new tiers as you gain experience. Thanks to Epic Games for sponsoring this video. Play with your friends in duos and squads. Download the game using the link below. The girls are deep into something. Is it soccer or hockey? No, it's just a new Jelly Maze phone case. We will need a silicone case. Unwind gummy wheels of different colors, separating them into thin strips. Attach a strip across the perimeter of the case using edible glue. Shape a candy maze instead of using colorful strips. Put a candy bead in the puzzle and try to find a way. The girls get carried away with this game. Who will find the exit? The game is getting pretty hard. It's great that the case is edible. Dolly has a meltdown, so she eats an obstacle right away. It's unfair! But Dolly doesn't care. We eat all the maze parts one after another. There are no more obstacles for the ball anymore. And there is still no ball either. My friend and I are racing for the Oreos. Dolly is lucky up to now. She is the first to seize the plate with the cookies. But Redhead is catching up. 1, 2, 3, freeze! It works! Now I need to take a photo of my Oreo victory with my Oreo phone case. Add food coloring to fondant and knead it. Divide it into 2 parts. Sprinkle a board with starch and roll out the fondant to fit the size of your phone. Cover the phone with plastic wrap and put on the fondant. Place another phone case on top to cut out the camera hole. Turn the phone over and cut off the excess fondant. Take the filling out of the Oreo cookies. Spread it on top of the sweet case, making a thin layer. Smooth out the edges with a knife. Print out an Oreo pattern. Make a mirror image template. Tape a piece of clear plastic on top and fill every blank area in the pattern with hot glue. Roll out the second half of the fondant. Cut out the phone case size piece with a camera hole. Put the fondant onto the Oreo template when the glue hardens, and press it over to get an imprint. Attach the detail to the sweet phone case covered with the Oreo filling, and paint it with food coloring. I take a few perfect shots. My friend will be happy to see them. Want to take a look? Unfreeze! I leave the phone for her, but the last thing I will do is to have a bite of it, because this phone case is edible. Redhead gets a delicious case and the cookies. Double Oreo satisfaction. Earphones are striving to escape from these girls' ears. Dolly's just started dancing, but her personal disco party ends at once. What should she do? She's got an idea. Let's use bubble gum. Cut the label on a Hubba Bubba container carefully. Take out the bubble gum. Make 2 holes opposite each other using a heated awl. Attach the earphone plug into the container through the top hole. Wind the cable around the bubblegum roll and insert the plug into the bottom hole. The earphones are attached nicely now. Hubba Bubba won't let them fall. Put the phone into your pocket and the earphones into your ears and the bubblegum into your mouth and blow the biggest bubbles listening to your favorite